Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. Before watching the video, if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start. Who is the first Asian American to feature on US currency? The right answer is A. Autobiography Daughter of Destiny is written by B is the right answer. Which is the southmost active volcano on Earth? The right answer is D. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? The right answer is C. Which festival is called the Festival of Light? The right answer is B. Diwali. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? A is the right answer. Which month of the year has the least number of days? E is the right answer. Which animal is called King of the Jungle? The right answer is B. What type of bird lays the largest eggs? The right answer is C. How many zeros are there in 100,000? The right answer is B. How many hours are there in 2 days? The right answer is D. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected with us for more videos. Thank you.